This is another in the catch-up videos, taking short videos, putting them together in sequence so that you can get the whole picture. And this video is about working with sheet metal in the home shop. Now, I'm not a sheet metal worker. I'm self-taught, so my tools and methods are not going to correspond to industry standards. So if that's what you're looking for, you're going to have to look elsewhere. Now, the following photographs will pretty much outline what this video is about. When I look over the tools that I use for working sheet metal, the cost has been rather modest. Most have been purchased from Harbor Freight or Grizzly. The floor shear and the bar folder, now these would have been the most expensive, but I bought these used. Plus, what you see is a collection that started over 40 years ago. My methods and techniques, while not comparable to a professional sheet metal worker, they have allowed me to create metal sculpture, the sales of which have been my livelihood for over 40 years. I would like to think of my videos as a jumping off place for someone that is just beginning. Take what I have to offer and then begin building on that to accomplish your goals. One of the basic keys of working with sheet metal is taking one's time in laying out a project, somewhat like the carpenter's rule. Measure twice and cut once.